Hello everyone, this is Yavar and I'm a private chef in Vancouver, BC. Today I'm making one of my favorite dish, which is lamb shank with dill rice and fava beans. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make and present this dish. I want to thank Farhang Foundation for promoting Persian chefs and their popular dishes. The black pepper as much as you want, cinnamon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, nutmeg, cumin, 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves of garlic as a dice, rose water, which is my favorite one, oil for sauteing, salt, saffron, and tomato paste. Okay, so now for a start, we have to heat the pan with the oil. Remember, at the beginning, you have to heat the pan with the oil because we want to sear our lambs. Here, I have 2 lamb shank, and then we want to sear these oils in a hot pan to get them a nice golden brown color, and you will see what's the difference. Let's go. So I'm trying to just do the other side. You see the nice golden color in here. I'm looking for this color for around of this beautiful lamb. Each side. So after 2 minutes, I just sauteed the onion with the oil, fat, and the fat from that came from the lambs. I'm just adding my carrots, and then skipping the sauteing the carrots just a bit, and then right now I add my nutmeg, I add my 2 bay leaves on it, and then here I have my cinnamon, and it's time to add my beautiful tomato paste because I need to get in a dark sauce in this plate. The tomato paste is almost 2 spoons of tomato. Boiling water, and let them cook for almost 2 hours. Actually, they should be cooked in a low temperature because I'm not looking for boiling this. I'm just looking for getting a simmering, and I want to show you. So I put back these lambs back to my pan, and I'm adding my boiling water to my lambs. 3 cups of rice, basmati rice. I soak it in salty water for almost 2 hours. 250 grams of fresh dill, chopped 150 grams of fava beans, 2 cups of smoky rice soaked in salty water. Here I have smoky rice, here I have regular rice. It's a different kind of the cooking between these 2 rice. Here I boil the water, and then just I add the rice which I soaked it in the salty water. Here I add the water and the rice and the dill all together in a medium temperature because I'm looking for sticky rice in here. So I just put the lid on it, leave it until it can be all sticky together. Here I'm looking right now after 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, when you see the rice is coming off, you're adding the dills on it. Let them cook, dills with the rice, for almost 1 more minute. You don't need to get it cook too much because we have a 1 more process, 1 more steps for cooking. After 2 minutes, we just rinse our rice and let them a bit rest off the rice with the fava. Here I have oil in my pot. So at the beginning I'm going with the lettuce, just set up, and then going with the 1 layer of the rice. and one more layer, and then you can continue these steps until the end. All layer by layer we are going here. So we have a lettuce static, rice, fava bean, onto the top. We are going to put some holes here. We are doing here also on low temperature. It's going to more sticky rice because we have one appetizer with this rice. Okay, so here we have items for the garnishes. Here we have one plate with a saffron wrap, and on top we have some dills we are using for a garnish, and I'll show you later. Here we have oil that's using for these dills. I have some thickener for our sauces. This is a xanthan gum, so I will show you how it is effective on our sauce. Show us our sauces are going to bright and jelly texture. Here I have a cornstarch because I need to get a bit thicken in the sauce. I have some dry dill, so I just dehydrated in 2 hours in a low temperature. I have 1 cup of oil. I have to put it in the freezer to almost 2 hours to get them be so fresh. And here I have a saffron. I want to make a saffron caviar. We have to use the agar agar. The ratio for this is going to be 1 cup of the liquid and 1 spoon of the agar agar. This is the flake one, and you can add some sugar on it to get it be a more flavor and taste. Here I have a cornstarch. I want to thicken my sauce to get it be a nice consistency. I just mix some of my lamb shank sauce here, mix it together, and then I will put it back into my sauce. I'll let them simmer a few minutes, and then my sauce is getting be ready. Okay, so here I have my sauce, and here I have xanthan gum. I will add this xanthan gum in the sauce to get it be a kind of jelly texture and shiny for plating. Mix it all well together until all the xanthan gum dissolved in a sauce. Shape, and then just brush it with some oil and goes with the saran wrap again on the top, and just put some holes in this saran wrap, and this one going to the microwave for almost 2 minutes. Herbs color same, so it's not to change the herbs color. Guys, for a garnish of the saffron caviar, I have a mixture of the saffron juice, sugar, and agar, and here I have a cup of the oil. I just put it in a fridge to get in me a nice this consistency, and then I will use this to get the caviar on here and just drop one by one inside, and you will see the nice beautiful caviar, bright and golden color on it. Okay, so after drop the one by one, it's just gonna be a reset here. And then we're gonna be a rinse with the cold water. You just drop off the oil on it. So right now cooking process is finished and I'm ready to go into plating. At the beginning I want to do the main course, the lamb shank, dill rice, fava bean, sauce, all in here in a one plate, and after that I want to do the one appetizer. I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe. Thank you for watching us.